Okay, there we go. We are here in France with
Max.
Okay, hi Max. Where are you from?
I am from Germany, actually.
Okay,
Yes.
and we have some questions for you.
Sure.
The first one is where did you found the Moto Trainer?
I first saw the Moto Trainer on the motorbike show in Italy, on Mecca?
EICMA.
EICMA.
Okay, and then you get in love with the simulator.
Yes, I had to look it up, and I wanted to train for my next circuit.
Okay, so that's the way of how you're going to use the simulator?
Well, the fact that I've actually never done a circuit, I think the simulator is the best way to start off with it.
Okay, good. And you choose the express installation, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and how it was?
Express.
Oh,
Couldn't be any quicker. Efficient, great. Nice
Okay.
people.
oh, nice people. You mean us? Thank you
Yes,
so
you do.
much. And do you suggest the simulator to someone?
I will if my results are good.
Okay, perfect. We will sure that they will be.
We will find out.
So it's just time to train and train.
Yes.
So thank you so much. It was a pleasure for us.
Thank you.
See you soon
Righto,
and
thank you.
see you in the circuit next time.
Bye.